Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record supplier issued credit note on Xero. So if you have received a credit note from supplier, you need to go to business section and click bills to pay. From here we can add new credit note by clicking new credit note and filling in details, or if we have received credit note for particular supplier invoice, then we can go through purchase, back to my bills to pay, and click on particular invoice. So for example, I have internet, I have received credit note from Internet Limited, and from bill options I can add credit note. Here it would already pre-fill details from that first supplier invoice, and only thing what we'll need to change amount, or if it's in full, then we can add it in full. Okay, so in my case, this is credit note for full amount. I can save and submit for approval. Okay, so I can view credit note, and once I'm happy with details here, I can also attach copy, either add from file library, which would be under files here, or I can upload credit note from my desktop, from my saved folders. So once you have added all that information, this credit note can be approved. Okay, amount to credit 35 and allocate credit. So in this case, this credit note will be allocated to particular supplier invoice. So now when I go back to my bills and paid, so there is a paid amount for internet bill, which is a credit note, and also this little page has little yellow like square, which means that there has been a credit note allocated. So this is a way how you can record credit note that has been received from supplier, either to record separately or use already supplier invoice to record credit note from that supplier invoice template. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.